So Baltic Sands was formed in the latter part of 2017, specialised mostly in doing off-grid homes, also with a slant of having new technologies that are more efficient in terms of heating or cooling, and that is in essence what our mission statement is. I was very mindful of the amount of energy that it was required to produce a result that your client or your particular project required, especially when it comes to engaging with Earth. It's heavy, it's not an easy medium to work with, and it's very demanding on fuel, for example. And I thought there must be a solution.
We've been fortunate to have these machines with us for 3 months all in all. We had the ECR 25 was first to land, and she did a lot of work on the house that we have just completed. And then the actual payloader, the L25, arrived, and that got put to work, and couldn't complain. I couldn't complain.
The major benefit is that the machines have no emissions, of course. They're very, very quiet. You don't have the noise from the engine, the vibration from the engines. It's helping the operators very much. It's amazing when the noise is gone and the vibration is gone, that you realize that it's tiresome for an operator. So we generate a very, very comfortable operator, and operator comfort increases productivity.
Because these machines are all electric, the drivetrain is electric, there really is no maintenance. I mean, most of the maintenance you do on a diesel machine is engine, transmission related. The batteries are maintenance free, the motors are brushless, so there hasn't been any maintenance.
Everything that you have in this machine is being replicated from a gas-powered machine. What they've done is replaced it with a clean burning electric motor. The hydraulic system is exactly the same, so your power and your performance is on a par. I have had no issue with lifting, excavating, blading. It's absolutely great.
When we received the ECR 25, for example, we wanted to see what its penetration power was and its breakout force relative to machines that were similar that we have used in the past. And it became clearly evident straight away that with the absence of noise, with the absence of vibration, the ability to communicate with the people in the cab, we were able to achieve equal to what we would have if we had a diesel-powered unit of same size, same track length, same weight.
Yeah, we should be good for another 3.5 hours.
Okay.
Running Eco Mode 1 at the moment, so yeah, all good. Your traction and everything is like a normal conventional earth-moving machine. Your seating is comfortable, your controls are comfortable, everything's at easy reach. So cannot complain about comfort. It is a Volvo. And the beauty about it is a lot of job sites will not allow you to start working after a certain hour because of noise. You can do a night shift with this and you won't even bother the neighbors sleeping. There are so many benefits. Somebody will find a downside, but it's at this stage is to find the positive, and Volvo's done great.
On this pilot project, the one thing we learned, it's something very simple. It works. It works quite well. I'm proud to be part of this project. I think long-term, sustainability will be a major factor for the industry, because more and more companies change their core values to sustainability, zero emissions, and the only way to have zero emissions is to have something like this behind me with battery-driven machines. Combustion engines will not be the future any longer. Electric or other solutions with zero emissions is the future.
There's a lot of synergy between our mission statement and what these units are able to bring to us. And it just closes the circle for us, not only for its purpose being eco-friendly and environmentally sound, but all the processes are responsible and are headed in the right direction.
The world is changing. In 2030, you will share it with 8.6 billion people. Most likely, you will live in a city. Digitalization will continue to transform and revolutionize the way you live. Your community will be more global than ever, sharing dreams, ideas, and challenges. Scarce resources and the threat of climate change call for immediate action. Poor air quality, noise, and congestion are forcing us to rethink. The world is changing. Imagine what world you want to live in and what you want to hand over to future generations. Because together, we can shape the world. Volvo.